Like to know how I did my channel point alert? I've got you covered. So you're going to go to triggerfyre.com, log in with Twitch. I do videos for mine, so that's how I'm going to show you. So go over to your points, copy and paste the exact words there, push the plus button. Command can be whatever you want. So push the little circle and you're going to put in the exact thing that your channel point is. So push save and then select video. Now everything on this has to be uploaded manually. So you're gonna have to find your sounds, your videos, your images on your own. But I already have stuff here. So I push the little checky mark, push the save button, and she's good to go. So push that chain button, copy that URL. So open up Streamlabs. You're gonna make a new browser source. We're gonna call it channel points, add, put in the new URL and push OK. Then over here in your chat, you're gonna push the little head button that you just installed. There you go. How did I make the actual alert design? I've got you covered. So I used 3 programs: Clip Studio, Inkscape, and Premiere Pro. So this right here, this is an emote I made. And this right here, this is all Inkscape, baby. Then in Premiere Pro, you're gonna wanna make sure that your new file is 1920 by 1080. That's what your sequence is gonna be. There's a cross dissolve at the beginning. Then in effects, put in a lighting effect. This thing right here is a mask done in this little design. You're gonna do a key point off of your thing, and then all the way to the other side. Have another section, do it again, and then cross dissolve. Then when you export it, H.264, high bitrate, pick where you want it, export. In Streamlabs, because Adobe does not do transparent, you're gonna have to add a filter. Here are my settings for a black background, so I hope this helps.